everyone, thank you for watching. Today's video is going to be a new haul, and Domestic Goddess Samantha is very excited to show you this one. I have a new kitchenware set that I am going to be showing you. I've just elevated my kitchen game, which I'm quite excited about. I did do a fairly large Amazon haul here recently, but I have a few other fashion products that came in, including like the dress I'm wearing. So I'm also gonna be showing you those, but today's video is in partnership with Caraway. So I'm gonna be showing you the kitchenware that they sent me, why I'm so excited about this, and how I feel like it's kind of helped my aesthetic game in my kitchen. So I will have a Caraway linked in my description box, of course, and I have them linked on my storefront on Amazon, where you can get a 10% off all of your Caraway products. So all that information is going to be in my description box. I'm super excited to partner with Caraway on this video and to show you what I got. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, welcome. So I do start my videos with an outfit of the day. So like I said, I had a few new fashion pieces show up, including, well, my slippers. Love me some new slippers. And also this dress, which I think is quite fun. So I will show these and a few other fashion pieces coming up here. But first I do want to jump into the Caraway set that I received. So I got the Caraway non-stick ceramic cookware set. Yeah, I am so excited about this. Okay, so here is my new saucepan. I picked out the beige color. Again, I've been really working on my home aesthetic vibes, if you will. Also, a Dutch oven. I've never had one of these. This is my first one. We also have some pans. We have the frying pan and the saute pan. These pans are so legit. Like, these are heavy. When I was carrying them in from my kitchen into my office to do this video, I was like, okay, I'll just carry two at a time. Two at a time will be good. These are some great quality cookware, and I'm so excited about this. So just a little backstory on me. I've never really been one into cooking. It's just, I'm not really one with the kitchen. I made merch at one point that said Undomestic Goddess, because that's just how I feel. And it was around the time where I was getting a divorce that I was like, Samantha, you're gonna have to take this into your own hands. I married someone who really enjoyed cooking, which was great, but that meant that I always, you know, it was just up to him to feed me. And as I was going through the divorce process and I was going to be moving and starting over and being on my own, I was like, well, now you're gonna have to learn how to cook. And so I really threw myself into that, and it was funny to kind of take so many people along on the journey of going from an undomestic goddess to someone who now primarily makes the majority of her meals at home. I did, within the past like 2 years here, also start struggling with some health issues, especially when it came to like bloating, a lot of digestion issues. I was getting sick and very nauseous when I was eating. And I've recently been diagnosed with PCOS and other hormonal imbalances. And one thing that I tried to do to kind of take health back into my own hands was to start to make my meals at home. And primarily my meals at home. I very rarely eat out these days, and I just put a really big focus into making my own food at home, so I know exactly what I'm putting into my body. But coming with that meant also having to upgrade my kitchen. Also, at the same time, when I made my move from Iowa to Las Vegas, I left behind most of the kitchen stuff. So when I moved here, I was really having to start over, especially when it came to kitchen. Like, I was having to buy all new silverware, all new utensils, everything like that, pots and pans. And again, as I've kind of gone through this little journey here, I every so often get in like one more quality piece, one more quality pan, one more quality set of dishes. You know, I'm kind of like building up as I go. It wasn't something where I could just buy everything on my own like right away. And when Caraway reached out to ask if I would like to work with them, when I tell you how excited I was, because I just felt like the timing was really great on this as well. I have started a second YouTube channel, and that one is a little bit more focused on like health and lifestyle. I just posted a video the day that I'm filming. Actually, I posted a what I eat in the day. I do a little bit more vlog style videos over there, but one thing I say often is I'm a little bit embarrassed about my apartment. I'm not the most organized person, and especially when I watch like lifestyle videos, everyone has such like beautiful aesthetic kitchens and offices and bathrooms, and I'm like, man, I am just not that way. And when Caraway reached out and I saw that I could get this beautiful cookware set in the beige color, which I love so much, not only would that give me amazing quality pieces to be able to make the majority of my meals at home and also my dog's meals at home. I've started making her own food. She was diagnosed with cancer in May, so I make a lot of my dog's meals at home. But now we just have really quality pieces to make our food in, and they're also super beautiful. Again, these are the non-stick ceramic, which is so helpful because it makes the cleanup so much easier. And again, with me making meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner for myself and my dog, something like being able to easily clean my pots and pans is so important to me. A few other things about the Caraway products that I want to touch on is that they're non-toxic, so designed with health in mind, which is very important to me, especially, you know, in this time of my life. I kind of already touched on the aesthetic, but I love the color designs. Just everything looks very sleek and fashionable yet functional. I also am going to show the storage that comes with this set, which is so key to me and I love it. I mentioned that they are non-stick, so really easy to not only cook but also to clean up. They are also available on Amazon, which is great because it makes them very easily accessible. And again, I will have that link to my storefront where you can get 10% off your own set, but also storage. So I really enjoyed that it comes with these magnetic holders here. Each product has its own place, and it's super nice. These are magnetics, they all stick together, and I actually put all of these on my counter and set them up that way. And once I did that, I actually really liked the looks of it. I wasn't sure if I was going to love like having everything out on my counter, but quite honestly, I have everything out on my counter just regardless in general. And I'm like, why not have a counter space that actually looks like it's made for the kitchen? Like it's not just cluttered with like paperwork and mail. Like, this is actually like, hey, this is a little nook in my kitchen for these really beautiful products that I am going to be reaching for consistently because I make so many of my meals at home. So I loved this idea so much, and I love how it looks on my kitchen counter. It gives me like, I just have like a good feeling. I don't have a lot of people over. I don't do a lot of hosting, again, because I'm not the most like confident in my like decorating and organization, but this is something that I feel like when I have friends over that they'll be like, wow, does she cook? Is she a chef? It does also come with a rack for the lids, which the lids are beautiful and again also very heavy, like great quality. But then you also have, like, I love that it comes with this stuff, and I feel like this is something that I don't really see very often, so I'm just kind of throwing all of my pots and pans like wherever I can make them fit. So I love that it comes with storage already in mind for you. And again, like I mentioned, even the lids are just such high quality. Like that, like I could use this weightlifting, okay? Sorry, do you see my bicep getting a workout right here? So I am super excited to finally own my own Caraway products. I feel like I hear so many people talk about them. I see them in so many others' videos. I feel like this came at such a good time as well. Kind of on my own health journey, my dog's health journey, who is behind me, and really putting a lot of focus into what we are eating, making sure that we are eating quality foods. That comes having great products at home. I love that they're non-toxic. Again, I love the ceramic and that it's super easy to cook and also clean, but then also those little things too, like already having the storage there available. I love the colors. I love how everything is just so cohesive and goes together. So I am so excited for my Caraway Cookware Set. Again, make sure to check them out on my Amazon storefront where you can get that 10% off, and that link will be in my description box. I would love to know if you have tried any of the Caraway products, what you love, and you will be seeing more of these and more of my vlogs, especially on my second channel as well, and more what I eat in a day videos. And I'm very excited about these. So wanted to show you those, and let me jump into some of the fashion pieces that I got as well. All right, so I did get this brown dress like I showed in the beginning, and I really like this one too because it actually comes with shorts, and they're shorts that are on their own. So you don't have to wear the shorts, you can wear the shorts, you can wear the shorts for something else, which I think is really cool because the shorts are a little bit longer as well. Like if I just wanted to wear the shorts on their own, I absolutely could. They're the exact same color. And then you do have a lot of tie detail in the back. Now I was just doing this on my own since I do live by myself. I feel like I could use a little bit of help to make some of the straps a little bit tighter, but the next time I see a friend, I will just have to get some help with that. But this quality material, I've been hearing really good things about this brand. I actually have another dress that is on its way to me. I have a skirt to show as well, but this material is literally like smooth like butter. It just feels beautiful. Again, I could wear this, you know, with heels, or I could also wear this with, I've seen a lot of people pairing it with just like Converse and sneakers and like doing something a little bit more casual. It almost kind of reminds me of like a tennis dress, but I think that this one is so fun and so beautiful. I love the back. I'm really excited for the second dress that is coming in too. But again, kind of more these like casual pieces that you can dress up or dress down is kind of my vibe at the moment. So loving this one, loving the brown color, of course. And then I did also get new slippers. So these are the slippers. I'm really sad because I have a pair of black like fuzzy slippers and they busted. I mean, I had them for a long time, but like this part here started to like completely come apart. So we had to get some new slippers, and because I basically only wear brown or beige, I decided to get these ones. And these are so comfy. So again, kind of the soles is more of that kind of like thicker padded material. So just super comfy, cozy. Now I did get a size 8 and I'm normally a 7.5, and they are like I would say like a perfect size, if not a little bit on the small size. So if you're a half size, I would say size up. Or if you like something a little bit roomier for your slippers, maybe even doing a full size up. I will say too, I feel like they feel a little bit tight in here. If you have super wide feet, these might not work the best for you. I do have pretty narrow feet, so it's not really like an issue for me, but that was something that I noticed when I put them on. But I love that they kind of have a little bit of, I don't know what word I'm trying to use, but they're just like a little bit soft. They kind of give me that like little sinky feeling when I wear them. So these are super comfortable to wear around the house as well. Like I mentioned, I did get a skirt as well from the same brand as the dress. I've been wanting to grab more skirts because I don't really have a ton of skirts or even like a ton of shorts. I feel like I kind of wear the same things over and over again. I have quite a bit of dresses, but when I saw that they also had cute skirts, I was like, okay, wait, I have to get this too. I have something a little bit similar to this in black, so I decided to get brown. So let me pop this on and see what we think. All right, so here is the skirt. Again, really love the feel of the material. Super soft, super smooth. There are attached shorts underneath here, which I just feel like shorts with skirts are just an absolute must these days. I have it paired with the top from my last Amazon haul, and I love these so much. I'm like totally living in them. So I did order the dress in a size small and also the skirt in a size small. I think that it's short, but not like, it's not too short for my personal liking. And again, with these shorts underneath, like if I did want to go golfing or tennis, or at least go and like take pictures on a golf course or a tennis court, I could do that and feel confident in this one. And it has just like a tiny slit over here on the one side as well. But again, comfortable. It's super stretchy material also, and I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. Like this outfit right here, like I'd be wearing this all the time this summer, okay? Like this gives me vibes. Maybe I'll wear the slippers, maybe I won't. You never know. But I really like the skirt too, and like I said, I have one more dress that is on its way to me. I'm really excited for that one to come in. So that is everything for my latest haul. A few more fashion pieces, but obviously I really wanted to show the Caraway Cookware Set as well, and to let you know about them, to let you know that I'm continuing to upgrade my kitchen one step at a time. We are really doing it. Again, let me know if you've tried any of the Caraway products or what you think of my fashion pieces. Everything will be linked down below, including my Amazon storefront. And again, you can get 10% off the Caraway products through my Amazon storefront, which I think is so fabulous. So thank you to Caraway for working with me on this video. Thank you all so much for giving me these opportunities. And if you enjoyed this one, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I hope you also consider subscribing before you go, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. This is our check on Aries. She decided to hang out with me under my vanity. So we're filming the day after the 4th of July. So we're still kind of sad when we hear loud noises. Don't mind my broken vanity, broken my move. But we still don't really like loud noises right now. But she also did have her chemo checkup today. So she's just had a lot of excitement the night before, and then a lot of excitement today. So I don't know if you can hear her, but she is snoring away. So she's a sweet girl. She's doing good. Oh, can you hear the snores? So funny. Good job, baby. You work so hard.